Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. And today mga higala, ato na punta sa baseball game sa akong anak. Kay game na naman. So, dala ko og kanang tulo ka payong kay medyo makulimlim today, medyo madagom. So,
I actually need the umbrella.
here is baka mag-ulan naman. Just prepare RJ umbrella.
It's really hard.
Yeah, so that have three umbrella. Yes. So, this is bike RJ. You're not properly to put your bike RJ here. So, ari na ta sulod sa sakyanan. Si Daddy naapa sa sulod. Pang check pang mga lock. Si RJ na dire nagdula na. Awa RJ. Kuyogi mi mga higala og magtan-aw na pud ta og baseball game sa akong anak mga higala. Tara mga higala. Let's go now.
We need to go extra fast.
Let me get the remote so we
We
can
are
get out of
late.
here quick.
We are very late.
We're on time for the game. We're late for the practice. The 15-minute practice.
Because nobody listened to me.
No, I said we need to leave 25 after.
No, you didn't. I
What
said.
time is it now?
You trip now.
It's raining now.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things.
Okay mga higala, og nanami diri sa baseball field. Padulong namin si RJ amo rang gi-drop sa dinha dapit, parang dali ra mabot kay nalit nami kay nagbalik kay nalimtan ang halo ni RJ, so it's super light. Das be traffic pag yun. Late na noon. Ano sila guys, kay nagsugod na. Og si RJ na late. Murag 10 minutes late. Walay init karon. Nag-ulan-ulan, tanawa is so cloudy. See the mountain, look like it's snowing in there. There's daddy. Late. There is daddy. So guys, balik ko sa sakyanan kay nakalimtan na ako ang lingkuranan. Ug ako'y lingkuranan na ay lingkuranan dito pero mga basa kay nag-ulan. So magkuha ko sa akong lingkuranan mga higala. Nags sa lain nga team si RJ da sa ikaduhang baseball field. Okay guys, nanan na ako ang lingkuranan. Tawa. Okay, padulong na po dito.
Good eye. Hey, you want to... Come on, man. Like to see, man.
There we are. It's cold. There's Arjo.
Hey, Jax, basketball, you got to hustle now. He can run, I'll let you know. Hey, plays up first. Parker, if he's coming home, you cover home. Yes.
No, it's C, bro. C is the, what's the answer to A?
Oops, oh goodness. One more. Strike. Oh, my goodness.
Destroyed my fingers. There's still none. Very use. Here, take this.
I should hear a lot. There we go. Run.
There's RJ, other loss.
Lost the walk-off. The game was already over.
Okay guys, we done the baseball. And other day of loss, RJ.
We actually won.
You almost won, but
Yeah, they changed
1
the
point.
rules.
You have 2 runs in the new rule.
Yeah, they
My
changed the
goodness.
rules 2 hours ago.
So we're
So
now in the
we
car.
lost. Since they changed the rules 2 hours ago, we lost.
Yep. My goodness. Why did change? Did not tell that they changed the rules?
Yeah, they didn't tell us.
My goodness, how fair that
It's
is.
not fair.
That's why I kept saying to you, they gypped us out of a couple runs. Look at the scoreboard.
Yeah, they
I
weren't
didn't see what
blocking.
happened at home plate there.
They were blocking, but they didn't call it for blocking.
Okay, let's
The
eat
umpire was
Kit
complete.
Kat.
Here, Kit Kat.
I'm going to stop at the end zone, so
Kit Kat.
Okay.
we were in the lead. It was over.
Yeah, the game was already over.
it
They
was
decided to call
6:32.
it like 30 more minutes.
Okay, we go now have sun. It's a
I gotta
worm.
go to the bathroom.
Do you want this one? There's a smiley face on it. It's a
Okay,
gummy
we
worm.
go now because it's
It's gummy. It just
Okay.
we want to go to the bathroom. Okay,
Oh, you took the gummy worm. Does it taste like a gummy?
it's sunny now. In what time now? 5 o'clock? Oh, 6 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock, my goodness. It's so hot now here. Easy.
I'm hot. What did you think of the gummy worm?
Look
I've
at
had
there,
it before. It's
RJ.
okay. Just like other ones.
RJ, look at RJ. Have no cars in there behind.
No.
Okay mga higala, o naanami diri sa calls mga higala. Kay nag-return sa Kalo. Sila rang daddy adto dito. Nag-return. Nagpaabot ra ko diri sa sakyanan sa